Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a spiral text effect on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to type in, for instance, Saturday, and I'm just going to select this and I'm going to color it this paint color, and I'll just select this and I'm going to color it green. You can use any color that you want, but these are my two favorite colors. Right click, create outlines, place it in this brush, pattern brush, and select OK, and select OK once again. And then I'm just going to delete this. Select the ellipse tool, and then you're going to want to create a circle like so. And then for this, you're going to disable the fill, and then you're going to select the text that you just put on. Go to Effect, go to Distort and Transform, go to Transform. I'm just checking if I'm recording. And then I'm going to do 85 on horizontal and also on the vertical one. 8 on the angle, 8 degrees. And you're going to want to make sure you also transform patterns and copy 16 or how many ever you want. Then you're going to want to press OK. And that is it. Super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.